Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So earlier today, I let you know that a new Canvas feature had rolled out in Google Gemini. And this is just the ongoing quest that Google has to improve their AI chatbot. And I'll leave that video linked down below and in the end screen. Now, one of the limitations up until recently that was applied to Gemini is that you couldn't use Gemini without a Google account. So you had to be signed into a Google account to be able to use the feature. Now, just to let you know that Gemini is now available to use without signing in, which I actually think is a nice move because a lot of users don't actually want to sign in to use a AI chatbot. So here you can see I'm not signed in, and on the landing page you met with Meet Gemini, your personal AI assistant, where if you are signed in, it says hello, and then obviously it calls you by whatever name your account is referring to. And something else just to take note of is that there are a couple of limitations though. Although you can use it without an account, there's always a so-called catch when not signing in with an official account. And the first is that if you click on the model picker, you can see here that you can only use the everyday help, the Gemini 2 Flash model. If you want to use Flash Thinking, Deep Research, Personalization, you need to sign in. And then another so-called limitation is that if you want to upload files, you need to sign in to upload files. And although there are those couple of limitations, I still think this is a nice move in the right direction. I think most people really just use an AI chatbot to ask questions and get responses, and the Gemini 2 Flash model will certainly get the job done in that case. And just on a side note though, the Android app still requires you though to use your Google account to be able to use Gemini on your mobile device, so just take note of that. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.